Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Good morning, good afternoon, good day. Hope everybody's doing well. We are back again with another live to close up the week. Hold on. This is incorrect. There we go. Yeah, so we're back with another live just to sum up the week. A couple things I'd like to take a look at. A couple things that have played out well. A couple things that haven't. So just bear with me for a second. All right. So news-wise, pretty decent week, I would say. Start off the week with New Zealand news. The next day we had USD PPI. That's when we kind of got whipsawed. We saw the market move dramatically in one direction, only to reverse. Moving on to what happened Wednesday, we had CPI. CPI pretty much made the dollar bearish. So the dollar fell very aggressively because of CPI. Thursday, we had the AUD unemployment rates. There was really no impact on this. And then Friday, here we are. So, couple trades. Let's start off with the index. My computer is like super slow right now. Let's go. All right, so here we go. When talking about the whipsaw that we experienced, it was over here, PPI on Tuesday, and then CPI came in and pushed the market all the way down to this blue level, right? Completing the breakout of this structure. As we know, trend line 1, 2, 3 touch, we break the touch. We break the trend line, and we are 90% of the time going to reach the second point over here, which is what we did. Now, ever since then, Thursday, bullish retracement. Friday, bullish retracement. I have been bullish on the dollar for some time, as you'll be able to see over here with USD franc. I am still in this trade. Got into a little bit of drawdown. I had, I've constantly gone in and out of the markets. And when I say out of the market, what I would do is that I would have my initial entry here. And then if the price would push even further against us, because I was so sure about this trading opportunity, because I saw the same thing on USD CAD, I saw the same thing on USD JPY. I was 99.9% certain that, before I continue, let me make sure that you guys can hear me. Yeah, if you guys can't hear me, just say. But anyway, like I was saying, I was 99% sure that the dollar was going to appreciate. So when the price would push against me like it did over here, I would re-enter in another position, equal size, and then catch that retracement back up, which is what I've been doing. So even though some of these trades haven't moved that far, I've already made 1%, 2% on my funded account. On my challenge account. So this is a trade that I'm currently holding, USD franc. I'm in a little bit of profit. So I'm happy over there. AUD franc is a trade that we took that hit target. As you can see, very nice, very little drawdown. It's a nice 1%, 1.2% banked over here. USD CAD. I'm in drawdown with this, but like I said, every time we pushed beneath, I would kind of re-enter. And so I got in again around here or somewhere, and I caught that bullish retracement already. I've already exited the secondary trade. I'm still holding on to this one though. In drawdown, unfortunately, but it is what it is. USD JPY, I have not been triggered on this trade. I believe we're going to have a simple ABC pattern at this point. A, B, C, D extension move, right? So I believe we're going to break through this trend line, trigger my entry, which is a pending trade, a buy stop, and then hit our target. It's quite the trade though. It's 224 pips. But you know, USD JPY is exactly the type of currency that will achieve that in like a day. So I don't intend for this to take too long. It's a simple 1-to-1. AUD JPY. I'm bullish on this as well. Have not gotten an entry. Have not gotten an entry. Simple structure over here. A, B, C, D. So I'm waiting and anticipating that. Next week, I think because I've got quite a few pending trades, I'm thinking in terms of like finding new opportunities for next week. I'm not going to be that active. Looking at the news releases for next week, I think, you know, I want to see a lot of stuff play out. I'm holding on to a USD CAD trade, as I've already explained. We've got CAD CPI on Tuesday. I have a AUD JPY, as you can see. I've got AUD NZD and I've got New Zealand CAD over here. News on Wednesday, we've got the monetary policy for the New Zealand dollar. Later on, we have FOMC meeting minutes. I don't have anything on euro. I don't think I trade anything with the euro. I don't think I trade anything pound either. And then we have manufacturing PMI on Thursday. So quite a jam-packed week in terms of news releases for next week. But yeah, I'm long on AUD JPY. If USD JPY plays out as well and finds its bullish momentum, I believe it could also push AUD JPY. So I want to be here to catch this as well. It's also a pretty decent sized trade. It's 250 pips. So I don't expect it to happen very quickly. Oh, let's go here. I don't expect it to happen very quickly. But AUD JPY, anything that has JPY, we know the average true range for these currency pairs is quite big. They move very aggressively and very rapidly in a short space of time. So shouldn't take too long. It shouldn't take too long. AUD NZD, I have a pending on this as well. Here it is. It has not been triggered. 3-1, pretty decent sized trade. Hasn't been triggered at all. Hopefully the news release, the monetary policy statement for New Zealand dollar will, you know, lend some liquidity on this, push us a little bit higher. I'd appreciate that. New Zealand CAD, in the same breath that I'm hoping and anticipating for AUD NZD to move bullish, I am anticipating New Zealand CAD to move bearish. I have a pending opportunity down here, so I'd love to see it fall from here and come back down. As you can see, we are in a channel, descending channel at that. So from where it is right now, it could just break out of it completely, but I'm hoping that it will find resistance as it has 1-2 times before and come back down, and we can hopefully catch this. It's a small trade, just 35 pips, but it's a 1-to-1. And then AUD franc over here, as I've explained, hit my target beautifully. I'm happy. Now moving on to these guys over here. Bitcoin. Let's see. Playing out nicely. My initial analysis on this, I think we're somewhere around here. And I said that I am bullish on Bitcoin up to 75,000. We seem to have broken out of this channel, this descending channel. So all I really want to see right now is just an aggressive pump to the top side in regards to Bitcoin. US 30, this one, correct? I had target 1s and target 2s on this. Okay, it's not that one. It's, which one is it? Is it this one? Yes, there we go. So when I did my initial analysis on US 30, we were resting over here, and I said that this would be my target 1 and this would be my target 2. We've achieved both targets on US 30, done and dusted, awesome. And the next one would be NAS 100. All right, so the next one would be NAS 100. Hold up. This is not the correct one. Is it Pepperstone? Yes. There you go. Like US 30, I was anticipating some bullish momentum on this as well, with this blue highlighted box as my target. I think I did my analysis initially at the beginning of the month. And if you caught this move, congrats. Well done. It's been real. I appreciate it. But if not, pay closer attention, because some of these trades are actually pretty solid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bitcoin, US 30, and NAS 100, as well as these over here. So in closing, I just want to say that USD CAD, bullish on it. USD Franc, bullish on it. Still moving. Obviously, it's resting on a resistance level right now, this one here, and the trend line itself. I just love to see it just break through this completely, honestly, to the upside. And yeah, AUD Franc played out really nicely. And then I've got a bunch of pending orders. I think all 4 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got pending orders on USD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, and New Zealand CAD. But like I said, next week is probably going to be a slow week for me because of just the amount of trades that I have that are pending. They say too much of a good thing is always a horrible thing. So I'm going to take it easy in terms of finding new opportunities, and I'm going to, wait and anticipate and see just how it plays out. My current trades and see how they each play out. All right, guys. Pretty stagnant. Still got a decent amount of dollar strength, so we should see these trades actually play out. But for now, I'm gonna call it a day. Stops are in place, targets are in place. So if this does play out later on in the day, cool. But for now, I'm gonna check out USD JPY. Still decent away, decent amount of distance away. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. We'll pick this up next week. It's been real.